Here's some life and purity trivia. Subscribe. Which system regulates hormones in the body? Is it A, nervous system, B, circulatory system, C, endocrine, or D, immune system? The correct answer is C, endocrine. Which nutrient is essential for muscle repair? Is it A, fats, B, vitamin C, protein, or D, carbohydrates? The correct answer is C, protein. Which mineral is important for bone health? Is it A, iron, B, potassium, C, magnesium, or D, calcium? The correct answer is D, calcium. Which organ is responsible for gas exchange? Is it A, heart, B, lungs, C, liver, or D, kidneys? The correct answer is B, lungs. What is the primary function of red blood cells? Is it A, oxygen transport, B, immune defense, C, nutrient absorption, or D, carbon dioxide storage? The correct answer is A, oxygen transport. Which bacteria is essential for gut health? Is it A, Salmonella, B, Staphylococcus, C, Lactobacillus, or D, E. coli? The correct answer is C, Lactobacillus. What is the main function of the immune system? Is it A, regulate body temperature, B, digest food, C, produce hormones, or D, defend against pathogens? The correct answer is D, defend against pathogens. Which ingredient is key in fermentation? Is it A, yeast, B, bacteria, C, sugar, or D, vinegar? The correct answer is A, yeast. Which exercise type improves flexibility? Is it A, running, B, cycling, C, stretching, or D, weightlifting? The correct answer is C, stretching. Which mineral is vital for nerve function? Is it A, iron, B, calcium, C, potassium, or D, sodium? The correct answer is C, potassium. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.